to Lab Kitchen, and today we're gonna be making a really special dish. It's my grandma's style vadi. Yes, it's really near to my heart. So if you like the recipe, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel to get many more recipes. And don't forget to write your comments and suggestions in the comment box below. So now let's get started.
Let's start with making the masala for our stuffing, and it's coconut masala. For that we need, of course, half a cup of fresh coconut. Use fresh coconut, don't use dry coconut. And then some fresh coriander and some green chillies. They are so hot, so I'm using some chilies. You can reduce or increase the amount of green chilies. And now add 3 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger, and then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now all ingredients are done, and now we have to make a fine paste of this masala, and gradually add water and make a nice paste. Don't add more water and make it slurry paste. So here I made a nice paste out of the masala, and it's nice. See, the consistency of masala is really good. Now let's move on to the stuffing. For that I have taken here 1 and 1/4 cup of besan. Yes. And then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and a half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Then add half a teaspoon of red chilli powder and salt to taste. And add our masala to it now. And mix it well. I have used hand to mix it very well. And now add some water and then mix it well. Keep adding water and mixing till you get a nice consistency of the stuffing, spreadable consistency of spread. And you can see the consistency of our stuffing should be like this, and it's ready. So now here's the wrap. It's called Colocasia plant leaves or aruchi pano. And now cut the stem and then open the back side of the leaf and press down. Otherwise it will bend and it will be very difficult to roll it out. I have made here all the leaves like similarly. So now spread the batter or the stuffing over it. I suggest you to use hands to do it because it needs perfection and it's very difficult. Or no, it's not difficult, it's easy, but if you use any spoon type, it may get torn. Now here you can see I have spreaded all the batter or the stuffing on the leaf and just roll it down slowly like this, and one more, just tip. We don't need to press it because it sticks. Now here I set up the steamer, and now I will steam it for 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't take any time, more time you can say. And there we go, our vadi is ready. I mean, our steamed vadi is ready. You can eat them like this. So they are still hot, and I'm gonna cut them into the shapes. Now let's cut them into the shape. Round rolls. You can eat like this, but after frying them, it will be the crispy one, so they will be more tasty. But you can also eat like this. Like this also tastes very nice. Now cut all of them. We have cut, and they are ready to be fried. Now here I have heated oil for frying. Just fry all the vadi till they get a nice golden brown color and they get crispy. You can see the color has changed a little bit. And you can serve them hot with hot chapati, roti or bhakri and some onion. Bhakri is the best way to eat with, but I love chapati. And now enjoy the delicious vadi.